Hey guys, hope you're well. I'm going to do another email teardown today, and this week we are focusing on Papier. Now, Papier is a British stationery company. They focus on personalised gifts around birthdays, anniversaries, things like that. They do really beautiful personalised gifts, so definitely check them out. But today we're going to focus on their email marketing. I made a purchase from them recently, and in particular, I want to focus on the design, which is really beautiful. Just going to give you some inspiration from them on that front, and a couple of nice touch points in their recent campaigns as well around key dates that a lot of other brands just wouldn't do, and I want to express why I think this was a really good idea. So I just want to quickly show you a little bit of the actual design. You can see here, really beautiful, great blend of text and imagery, subtle use of the GIFs or the GIFs. And these are just really nice. The email design overall, if you go into some of the other emails, let's come up here. The visuals and aesthetics are just really on point. Great use of text and imagery, and the branding's just really, really strong across the board. So I really love their email design. It's very modern. Nothing you can really critique them on there. It looks fantastic. But in terms of the actual campaigns, so recently we had Valentine's Day, right? And we have Mother's Day coming up as well. And what I liked about Papier is that they didn't just assume that I was interested in these dates. They actually asked me if I wanted to receive emails around this time. So you can see here where we have Susanna Papier. In these two emails, they basically asked if I want to opt out, and the way they've done this is with a very, very simple text-based email. So they've said, "Hi Adam, at Papier we believe Valentine's Day is a day to celebrate all kinds of love, blah, 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 blah. If it's sensitive to you, click here and we'd happily opt you out." Really like that, just super simple, and gives me the opportunity to not receive emails that I might just not want, and then you can always resume the campaigns at a later date. Likewise, for Mother's Day, it's exactly the same. If it's sensitive to you or it's a difficult time of year, nice use of empathy. Here's the option to opt out. And again, this is just a really great, simple touch point that shows that they've considered the customer journey. So really nice, beautiful emails overall, gorgeous design, great branding, great use of text to images, good blend of the two, and just great use of personalization to segment the audience better and give the customer the option to opt out with a bit of empathy. So we can definitely learn a little bit from what they're doing and how they're approaching the overall email campaigns.